Looks pretty good. Let's cut into it and see how it looks inside. This is how it looked on the bottom, so it needs to go back in. I think for another 10 minutes. I set it for 10 minutes, but I'm gonna take it out now. I think it's good. And there it is, it looks good to me. So I'm gonna start the next one at 18 minutes. It says anywhere between 12 to 18 minutes, and we know that 15 minutes wasn't long enough. So I'm actually gonna bring it up to 20.
Right in the middle?
Yes.
On the end of it. Let's do it, man. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at that cut.
Looks good. Let's do a taste test.
La la.
Can you cut a piece? I'm gonna taste it.
I'll taste first since I'm doing all the work. Can't use that fork since it's been in your mouth.
Tastes good to me. Now we'll see how it is after 20 minutes. I'm gonna cut into this one, the 20-minute one. It looks great. I'm gonna do a taste test. It's excellent. It's delicious.